In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up chart of accounts in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll understand what the chart of accounts does, where to find it, and how to create a clean, accurate account that keeps your books organized and your reports meaningful. First, open QuickBooks and head to your main dashboard. Give yourself a moment to let everything load so you're starting from a stable screen. Think of the chart of accounts as the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's the list that tells QuickBooks where every dollar belongs. Assets like bank accounts, liabilities like credit cards or loans, income categories, and your everyday expenses. From the dashboard, navigate to the chart of accounts. In QuickBooks Online, you'll typically find it under the accounting section on the left menu. If you don't see it right away, look for the accounting or settings area and choose chart of accounts. This page lists all of your current accounts with their types, balances, and whether they're active. Now, create a new account. Click New, and you'll see a setup panel. Start with account type. Choose the broad category that best fits what you're adding: asset, liability, income, expense, or equity. Next, select a detail type. This refines how QuickBooks treats the account and where it appears on reports. Pick the option that most closely matches your use case. It's worth reading the descriptions to be sure. Enter a clear name. Make it specific and consistent, like software subscriptions or office supplies, rather than something vague. If you use account numbers, add one here to keep your chart orderly. Numbers help with sorting and consistency as your list grows. Use the description field to add helpful context, such as what goes into this account or any team guidelines. Decide if this should be a sub-account. Sub-accounts roll up under a parent account and can make reports more readable. For example, travel, airfare, and travel lodging can sit under travel. Only use sub-accounts when it truly improves clarity. Too many can make things harder to manage. If you're setting up an account that already has a balance, like a bank or credit card, enter the opening balance and date. Use the day before you plan to start tracking in QuickBooks so your beginning balances line up with your statements. If you're unsure, it's fine to leave this blank and add transactions later, or check with your accountant. Save the account. You'll see it appear in the list ready to use on invoices, bills, and bank feeds. Repeat this process for the core accounts you need, keeping names standardized and avoiding duplicates. A clean chart now makes accurate, stress-free reporting later.